Hello, aspiring data enthusiasts. I'm Mariam, and I'm really excited to welcome you to a transformative learning experience. So today we are diving into the world of Python and statistics for data analysis and data science. In this comprehensive course, we will start from scratch and explore the fundamental concepts that make Python the powerhouse it is for data professionals. From the basics of Python, data structures, to Python functions, and from strings to loops, we have got it all covered. Now let's take a quick peek into what you will be mastering. We are not just teaching Python, we are building a foundation for data analysis and science. So buckle up as we navigate through the intricacies of data structures, unleash the power of functions, and decode the magic of strings and regular expressions. But why Python, you might ask? Well, Python is not just a language, it is a career accelerator. The demand for Python in the software industry is skyrocketing. Companies are actively seeking Python-savvy professionals. And the salary packages, well, they're truly enticing. The software industry is evolving and Python is at the forefront. Embracing this language opens the doors to exciting opportunities and lucrative salary packages. So by learning Python, you are not just acquiring a skill, you are investing in your future. Now let's talk about the benefits of this course. So whether you are a beginner or looking to upskill yourself, our content is designed for seamless learning. We have included quizzes and assignments to reinforce your understanding and make sure that you are ready to apply these skills in the real-world scenarios. Who should enroll in this course? Anyone eager to harness the power of Python for data analysis and data science. Students, professionals, or just curious minds. This course is tailored for you. Now let's explore some features. Our course is not just about theory. We have integrated practical exercises to ensure that you can apply what you learn. The visuals are designed to enhance your understanding, making complex concepts easy to grasp. So are you ready to embark on this Python journey? Click on the Enroll Now button and let's dive into a world of possibilities together.